Hi guys, in front of me is Lenovo Tab Extreme, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select biometrics and passwords, and select fingerprint. Now draw an unlock pattern, click on add to add your fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so just keep tapping on your power button till your fingerprint is fully added. Just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor. So here it's located. And tap on done. Well, that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.